In our never-ending pursuit to create new experiences for thrill seekers to enjoy, EMAX has ventured into revolutionizing an old field with an all-new twist. With the Interceptor, we aim to introduce the first-person view experience to enthusiasts with an intuitive platform. By having a first-person view camera embedded into the body, using FPV Virtual Reality Goggles gives drivers complete immersion into the out-of-body experience of their surroundings. By utilizing a 1/18th scale frame, the Interceptor gives drivers a smaller-than-life viewpoint, giving a greater sense of scale and speed, increasing spatial awareness and offering a unique point of view. Featuring tires that are 20% larger than other vehicles in its class, paired with a rear friction coil shock system, a smooth experience is achieved in order to make driving in this small of a scale comparable to its larger counterparts. With the usage of rack and pinion steering and an independent steering servo, control at scaled-up speeds are achievable, providing the driver with the necessary tools required to navigate a variety of environments. The EMAX Interceptor offers a unique introduction into the world of FPV, while also providing an all-new form factor for experienced enthusiasts alike.